Civil Engineering Majors NBM 2331444.
Beam reaction and simple portal. In order of a system, in this case beams and simple portals, to remain static, there must be a few placed on the system in order for the outer forces to be offset by the tides. The magnitude of the different styles of the Persian reaction can also be calculated. In the Statica, there are three static requirements to meet: Serbian V, glucose H, compact M. Remember, a style moment is a great force times the distance to one reference point. If the force makes the reference point spin clockwise, then the force is of positive value. If the force makes the point of reference to go counterclockwise, then the force moment is of negative value. The number of vertical styles, horizontal styles, and styles moments should be equal to 0. Steps taken to locate the joints or rolls. Make sure the construction is curtain static, can be complete with 3 statistical equations. For the construction of the joint or roller, choose any one location you drop. Then calculate the number of style moments of the dot and there are summarized by 0 to find another reaction after the number of moments is summarized by 0. Use a simple algebra to count the number of latrines. After the initial reaction of the charge is searched, check to see if the calculations are correct and static by adding up all the forces in the vertical axis. Squeaking 0. Horizontal reaction on the joints are solved with an equation H. For a lateral style, we use trigonometry to calculating the forward reaction. The formula that we use is compact M 0, Serbian V 0, glucose H 0. Example 1. P equals 20N, P2 equals 23N. First, to calculate the reaction of the aforementioned simple beam is to equate an assumption. The assumption of calculating is two kinds. Assumption 1. Clockwise positive, upper vertical positive, right horizontal positive. When calculating the moment at the two hole, the P1 force would flow toward the base to determine the sign, positive or negative. Denote the direction of the flow. Because the direction the flow is a sign plus positive, in calculating the vertical force, P1 is word negative because the P1 force faces downward. The second assumption is the opposite of the first assumption. We can freely make our own assumption as long as each calculation remains consistent with the same assumption. To return to the example of the matter, the steps we must take is to identify styles at a pedestal. A two-hole is a platform that can support both a perpendicular style and a disjoint style. Hence, two forces are found as the stool, RAH horizontal and RAV vertical style, whereas at the B stool was the roller stool, which held only vertical style. So there is only one style on the B stool, namely RBV, vertical style.